Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing a grocery haul from Aldi, I guess Memorial Day grocery haul. We actually just got back in town from the Smoky Mountains. I had a planner conference called the Smoky Mountain Plannerland Conference. It was in Gatlinburg, and I got to meet Pamela C. And also I got to meet Miss Stephanie. I don't know Miss Stephanie's last name, but hey Stephanie, if you're watching. And also Tasha. So Tasha I met at Grow Wild, and now we became friends, and she didn't realize I had a channel. So hey Tasha, if you're watching this. So Pamela and I sat together, and also Miss Stephanie sat across from us at the table, but me and Pamela sat beside each other. And it was a little weird at first because I knew Pamela was coming, but I didn't know what Pamela exactly looked like because her thumbnail is of her cat, and then her other thumbnail is like far back with her husband, so I couldn't really see, but she knew what I looked like. But she was so nice and so sweet, and she gave us so many tips, and we'll definitely be going back, especially like to well, probably all of them. Sevierville, Pigeon Forge. We saw as we were going out on 40, going home, it was so many things to do for the kids, and we didn't go to the aquarium. And I'm like, why we didn't go to the aquarium? So let's get started with this grocery haul. It's from Aldi. It's small, just hot dogs, hamburgers, and some other things. Okay guys, so I went to Aldi, and I also went to Walmart for a couple of things. Need to hurry and put this ice cream up, and my total at Aldi was like 78, and my Walmart total was like 19 something, more than what I wanted to spend. I wanted to spend 45, but I said what I'm going to do is use what's in the house, of course, and then make a lot of hot dogs and hamburgers. They'll just eat off of that for a day or two. Maybe 3 days, and I cook my own food and watch my points. So I picked up some hot dog buns. All Aldi had was the hot dog buns. They were 65 cents. Mama saw this, and I saw this in their flyer too. The sparkling white peach Dasani sparkling water, or soda sparkling drink, and they also had black cherry. I can't even think, y'all, now. Black cherry, I think a raspberry, but this was like $2.69, so I wanted to try it. Jason wanted, this was on his list, some vanilla sandwich cookies. I got some chili no beans, it's $1.09. The baked country style beans, I usually fix these up, so I will add like some mustard, some brown sugar, some honey or syrup or something like that. I don't really add meat in it, but I have heard on my aunt, sometimes she puts like maybe some ground beef in it. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but it's like $1.29. Some onion powder, 99 cents. I just got the regular smoked brats. This time of the year, they usually have like the cheddar and bacon like on the inside, or the cheese. So I just got the regular smoked brats, and these were $3.29. The jumbo franks were 99 cents. I got these. I wanted the bright leaf, which I'll show in 1 second, but I got these just in case if they didn't have the bright leaf at Walmart. But what I'm going to do is just throw all of them on the grill so the boys can have some to eat later. I know it's not the healthiest, and I know it's processed, because I'll talk about this in another video about trying to eat a little bit better, but every now and then. And they don't eat these anymore as much as they used to. Okay, so I picked up some 2% milk for Jason and his cookies. I got them some family style cookies and cream, which is $4.99. I got some strawberries, guys, and these were $1.19, so that was a really good price. And then they also had some, well, I got some bacon as well, which was $3.59. What you doing? You trying to be in my video? And do you guys, I love raspberries in my, like, you know, when you go out to eat and they have like a raspberry lemonade or a raspberry something, but I never really ate raspberries like whole, like strawberries. So do you guys, what do you put in your, do you put anything on it, like a sweetener, or do you just eat it when you have raspberries and blueberries? So I want to try some more fruit. I can eat vegetables all day long, but fruit is a challenge for me to try new things. Okay, so I think everybody is still out of town because they had plenty of these little chopped salads today. And I have tried the Southwest before, and that one was good. And they're always, you know, they go so fast. So I wanted to try the sweet kale chopped salad kit. And it comes with these items in it. And I believe these are $2.29, guys. The Southwest, and this is what comes in it. And I wanted to add chicken with this, or yeah, chicken, or maybe a side with, I don't know, fish or something, or I don't know, whatever meat protein I may be having. Some Asian chopped salad, and that's what comes in it. I picked up 2 things. Usually I just pick up one or a big thing of ground beef in the container at Walmart, but I went ahead and picked up 2 today to cook on the grill because I just knew their appetites are increasing. And also I picked up the chicken tenderloins. This was $4.99. The Kirkwood, some romaine lettuce, and I don't remember how much that was, guys, but usually it's not too much more than less than $2. I picked up some chunk light tuna, which was 85 cents, and some chili sauce, which was 65 cents. I picked up the small one to go with the large one instead of 2 large ones. I don't know, because sometimes I like the sauce, and then sometimes I guess I should try to make my own. I haven't done that before, but the boys kind of go through it kind of fast, and then sometimes when I buy too much, then it goes to waste. I also got some onions, so these were $1.19. I was hoping they were 99 cents, but anyway, Mama saw this. We went together, the jalapeno artichokes, and the heart of jalapeno artichoke. So she said this was good. She already texted me and said it was good. This was $2 or $3, guys. I don't remember. But they had another one that was spinach, but this one has onion in it if you see the ingredients. And I wanted to try this one first. I also got some garlic and chive pita crackers. These are 9 for 3 points, so I thought that wasn't bad to go with the tuna fish or even this. And then I got Saya some mini peanut butter sandwich crackers. They're $2.29. And is that it for Aldi? And some tomatoes from Aldi. They were $1.19. Then over here from Walmart, I wanted some of the onion recipes soup dip mix for the hamburgers. I don't necessarily have to have those. And I already showed it, Josiah trying to show you guys the chili. And then some Diet Coke Festi cherry. And then I really went in there for the bright leaf hot dogs. I don't get these probably hardly ever, but if you're from the South, especially North Carolina, you know about bright leaf hot dogs. And everybody on Facebook kept talking about, I want a hot dog, a burnt bright leaf hot dog. So I was like, you know what, that would be so good. Because most of the time when you get a bright leaf, I know for me, I go to a fast food place or it's a hot dog joint, and they usually steam it or boil it, and sometimes you just want that burnt hot dog. So I normally don't buy these because they're pricey. For one, you only get like well, that's a lot, but for a family, especially when they're good. And this is bright leaf. Let's see if I can open it up so you can see what it looks like. But that's usually in the, it's not with the hot dogs, but it's in the meat, what they call it, the meat, I don't know, guys, the meat area in the middle of the aisles between the meat wall where they have the hot dogs and stuff. Anyway, it's $4.83, so it's usually down where the frozen chicken and stuff is. Then Walmart had some hamburger buns, and Aldi did not, so I got some from there. And then I picked up a watermelon. They were $2 and I believe 88 cents. Mama wanted one, so I ran in there and got her one while I was getting everything else. And I said I'll grab one too for the family. And then I almost forgot my coleslaw. So this was the only coleslaw, which I've used before. The angel hair coleslaw. This was $1.77. The Diet Coke is $3.50. And these are like 65 cents or something like that. Not much, y'all. So I think 69. So guys, that's all. You're stacking it? Yeah. That is all that I picked up from Aldi and Walmart. Hope you guys have a great and I had a wonderful Memorial Day. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you all who have served and for our country. And you guys have a great rest of your week. Josiah, that's gonna fall. Bye bye.